What's up, guys? This is Zaman from Tech on My 9. Today, we are doing an unboxing slash first look on the Sony 1000 Xm5s. Okay, what a name, huh? It's a huge name, but I do have the Midnight Blue over here, guys. Check this out. Beautiful, beautiful box. We are gonna check this out. The box feels amazing. Oh man, yes it does. Sony Xm5s. Let's get my trusty knife slash sword and get this thing opened up, and we will take a look to see what's inside and what the color actually looks like. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Beautiful knife over here. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me at the bottom of the video. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to do that. It really helps on my channel. Here we go, guys. Let's get this open. Beautiful. That's such a nice box. I have to say, the box is all made out of all paper and also cardboard. So they're trying to make everything 100% biodegradable, okay? Obviously, other than the headphones. The headphones do have to be plastic. You know, that's just how it is. But yeah, they did a great job. Let's check out what's inside the box, okay? Let's get rid of all of this stuff that we do not need, okay? They do have this pamphlet hanging from it, which we're not going to actually care about. Let's focus on this container slash box that it comes in. I don't know if I like this. It feels great, but it's too big. I don't think I'm going to ever travel with this travel case. Yeah, it's too big, too wide. It's thin enough, but it's too wide. It would take up too much space, and it's awkward looking. I think it needs to be way thinner. Possibly, these headphones need to be able to close properly, which these don't do. The XM4s do close up. So that way they can fit in a smaller container. These just do not do that anymore. But you know what? I do love the way these look. So check those out, guys, okay? They did an amazing job on what these actually look like. They look extremely premium. The inside is all felt, guys, okay? And that's where they keep everything. They keep the wires in here, okay? They do come with the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So anybody that has a PlayStation 5, you can plug it straight into the controller and actually play PlayStation games with this. All right. So this is also great for your PlayStation, and you can listen to music via Bluetooth. If you connect that actual wire straight into an old school iPhone, or even like an Android phone that does have a 3.5 millimeter jack, you can actually get better quality video. You can get better quality sound through that. Okay, you're gonna get a higher quality, higher bit rate when you connect it straight into that. All right, this is the container that it comes in. I'm not going to be using that. What do you guys think? Do you guys think you're going to be using that? I don't think so. Well, let's check out the actual the headphones. The headphones come in this beautiful, beautiful midnight blue. It has a Sony in gold. It's not embossed. It's just kind of there. I like it. Okay. What do you guys think? And you guys can see all the buttons on the bottom left. Okay. I really like it. It's very, very simple. There's a 3.5 millimeter jack. And they have the charger right there, and they do have the microphone on the bottom right there. There you go. That's the on and off button right there. They do have ambient mode over there, okay, that you can control with the other button on the top. All right, not bad. I like it. I love the telescoping on here. It's very smooth. There's no clicks. It's smooth and fluid. I like that a lot, okay? Both sides are really, really nice, and you can check that out. Now, let's feel the inside. Okay, all right. I would say the AirPods Max that I have in the back, the cushions on those are way better than this. These definitely feel a little bit cheaper than, well, it definitely feels a lot cheaper than the AirPods Max, but I'm not liking it. I do like these a lot. Don't get me wrong. If I had to choose between the two and it's only the sound that I'm choosing, hands down, I'm going to choose these because I like a lot of bass. These have a lot of bass, and they have the option with the app. They have an app, Sony app. Go on there. You can actually see that you can make the bass way more, and you can control the treble and the mids way more than the Apple AirPods Max. Apple AirPods Max, you can only adjust in certain apps like I would say Spotify. Spotify gives you an option to do an EQ setting. Here is where you have the right side. You can control your pause, your fast forward, and volume up and down by using the side. Okay, it's all touch capacitive, and you can do all of that by pressing and holding the right side. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that feature on here. What do you guys think? Do you guys like these? If you guys do, definitely leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, tell me which one you guys like better. Do you guys like the AirPods Max? Do you like these two colors, or do you not like any colors? Definitely leave me a comment down below. I loved all you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.